And to these loves, who but for passion looks, at this first sight here, let him lay them by, and seek elsewhere in turning other books, which better may his labour satisfy. No far-fetched sigh shall ever wound my breast. Love from mine eye a tear shall never wring, nor in me's my whining sonnets dressed. A libertine, fantastically I sing. My verse is the true image of my mind, ever in motion, still desiring change, and as thus to variety inclined. So in all humours sportively I range. My muse is rightly of the English strain, that cannot long one fashion entertain.